Hello techies! In this video, we are going to see how to run an OTA update server with EMBOX, the all-in-one embedded toolkit. In this video, I will demonstrate the OTA example with the ESP32 microcontroller. On the left-hand side, I am running an ESP32 with a native OTA example which connects to a Wi-Fi network and starts OTA from the EMBOX HTTP server. So let's get started. First, open the EMBOX toolkit and select the server option. There is a drop-down menu with multiple options to select from. In this example, let's understand how to use the HTTP server for our OTA example. In the IP address field, enter your private IP, which the ESP32 will use to connect. Make sure that your device and ESP32 are on the same network where you run the EMBOX program. Give a port number as you desire. Then copy the bin file path and paste it into the file option. Make sure you give the directory path and not the bin file. Now you can start the server. Open the ESP32, which is waiting for the Wi-Fi station. Once discovered, it will be connected. After a successful connection, it will try to connect to our EMBOX OTA server and download the bin files. In the ESP32 log, we can monitor how the ESP32 downloads the OTA firmware and run the OTA updates. And that's it. We are done with this task.